Good morning, everyone. It's August 7th, and this is Dave and I's house here in the beautiful area of Queen Creek, Arizona. Anyway, we're at the framing stage today, so I'm going to be taking pictures and videotaping the framing stage of the house, putting together a portfolio for David, since this is the first time he's built a home, and it's going to be quite exciting for him. I know when I built mine with Michael, it was pretty awesome. So anyway, I'm putting together a scrapbook for him. This is the entryway of our home, and this is the front door. And as you enter the foyer, this is our formal living room that looks back toward the formal dining room and the backyard. And we'll have multi-sliders back there, so it looks over the whole pool area. And then back over here, I'm going to turn to the right as you enter the home. And this is going down a little jaunt down the hallway here. And right here, we're going to have a really nice countertop with a couple cabinets. Over here is the den, which is going to be our office. These studs are coming out. They made a mistake here and they framed it all in. And it's supposed to be totally open for a den area, or what you call a master suite. Little tiny hallway here, which I love. I do not like hallways, so this is a nice little jaunt. This is the bathroom area, double sink, toilet, stand-up shower. Over here is the teen room, which is the bedroom. Big, nice picture window there, and good size bedroom here. Going back down the hallway, or I should say, this could be a master suite for another family to actually live here, or a little casita at the right of our home here, or for Poppy to stay in with us and Mom. And then over here is another bedroom. There's David there looking out the big picture window. And over here's another little bedroom, guest bedroom, with a closet. And headed back down through the jaunt little hallway. And walking over here to the right of the home, getting past the living room, walking into the large area here. This is walking down a little jaunt of a hallway. And here we have another little countertop with cabinets. That's really going to be nice for storage. And then over here is, you're heading to the master bedroom. Master bedroom with a nice big picture window overlooking the pool area. And a couple windows out looking toward the east. And then you come back out into this area over here. And this is going to be our this is the master bath, and we have a double sink over here with a big picture window. In front of the picture window is going to be a lovely tub for me, because I'm a tubby girl. And then we just have a little half bath over here with a countertop, nice size countertop and cabinets here. And this is the little pate area. And then back over here you'll have the walk-in closet, which is quite lovely for Dave and I. A lot of space, enough room for two people. So it'll all be really nicely organized for both of us. And so as we walk out the master bath, we're going to be walking back into the master bedroom. And I'm going to take you to the front of the house over near the kitchen area. This is the little jaunt of a hallway. And just giving Dave an idea of the construction here. Love these columns. They're just the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, opening to the family room and to the kitchen. And there's another jaunt right there. And actually, you can actually walk through both of these, which is really nice. This takes you right into the kitchen area. This will be the focal point right here, is a sink. And then all of our this will be our pantry, which is really going to be really, really special right here. We have a beautiful pantry door that we're putting on there. It's really nice frosted glass. It's going to look really beautiful. And then this, of course, will be where all of our cabinets and countertops will go. Endless countertops. It's going to be so lovely, lovely, lovely. Since our house is so small with countertops now, Dave will just be loving life as he's cooking on his Traeger and his BBQ. And then over here, again, this is the sink area. And off of the sink area, we're going to have a peninsula built out right here, a table, which is going to be quite lovely. And it will have countertops all underneath it too for storage. And it will sit 6 people. So basically a built-in dining room table, which we paid extra for to have for when we have guests over and Mom and Pop. And then over here is our family room, 2 windows out looking over the patio area into the backyard where the swimming pool is going to be. And then we have 2 small windows up above that looks over to the west side of the valley. And then this is a beautiful picture window. We'll be looking over into the green belt where we live, and you can see the Santan Valley Mountains through here. Side of our home, nice and open, which we loved. We've been looking for a premium lot for 2.5 months now. Our neighbors slightly to the west of us in the back. And then as I walk through the family room here, you'll notice the wall back there. That is for dividing the 2 homes. And we have a very small backyard, but that's all we need. Nothing spectacular. There's David checking out the situation here. Now I am walking into the patio area, and that overlooks the backyard area, which is going to be really nice. I want to give you a quick shot here of when you walk into the home. As you see the front door here, you will see as you walk into the front door, the whole area back here will be open, so you can see the pool, which is the main part of the home that will make this house look very lovely for us and whomever lives here in the near future. And also, this is our backyard. It's quite small. I was getting a little nervous with the fact that we're going to have to put in a little mini micro bobcat because our yards are not very big here. We live on a corner lot, so of course it takes up, we lost about 4 feet of our backyard, but we needed a premium lot just because we wanted the privacy. So this is our backyard right now as it is in the framing stage, and give you kind of an idea that it's not very big, but hey, but when it's all said and done, how much do you need anyway? And then this will be the side of our house over here, and our neighbors are building out their home, which we're quite excited about. And this house right here that you're looking at in the framing stage with windows, that is like our home that is being built here in Harmony Homes, William Lyon Homes. And I'm going to take you back here real quick, and I'm going to show you the front of the patio so you can see how it looks into our home as when you walk in the front door. So everything's quite open here. That's what I really loved about it. I do not like a lot of walls. I like a lot of space, and use up as much real estate as you can when you're spending lots of money. And you want to use up all your real estate. You don't want to have long hallways that is wasted space in homes. And down here is a side yard, and this is where we're going to have, this will be totally open for Rocky to do his business. And over here we're going to have, back at this wall, all this is going to be barbecue, travertine, pool, travertine patio, and etc., etc. We're still working on that and getting some bids. Anyway, just wanted to show you our home here in beautiful Queen Creek that's being built. We're very, very excited, and we will catch you on the next go round, which will be next weekend in August. Thank you.